Hey guys, welcome. So let me close this window. Alright, so hey guys and welcome back to a new one. So today I wanted to make something a bit different. I want to bake, and I realized this morning that what I want is a carrot cake. So guess what I'm going to do? A carrot cake. So I went online to check for the recipe and everything that I need. And here is my list. So I need 3 to 4 carrots. So I wanted to get the carrots as well. Mind you, this is the second time I bake a carrot cake. The first time was, I think, a week after I moved in here. I baked a carrot cake, but it was nice, but I feel like I could do better. So that was like 1.5 years ago. And I've never done it again because then I started baking banana cakes and I love them. But today I was like, no, I want a carrot cake and I want to do it better. I think what will make the difference this time is I'm going with like fresh carrots, whereby the other time I went for like the already grated carrots, and I think it gave a bit dry, because I feel like in this carrots, when I would grate it, I'll get the juice, whereby with the one that's already done, you don't really get the juice. So baking powder, plain flour, white sugar. I think I should have enough in here. If not, of course, if you want, oil, brown sugar, casonado, salt, and cinnamon. And I'm gonna add some walnuts. Oh, I need eggs. Wow. Every Ghanaian house. First there's Priscilla. Oh, what is all this? I'm so scared. I feel too close. Yep, too close. Alright, so here I'm going to do the dry ingredients. Whip. Okay, I'm going to just Okay. This is giving carrot cake. It smells carrot cake. Oh my god. I'm a baker. Oh my god. And then, oh, I have to preheat the oven. I'm gonna add in the carrots. Can I add more? Just a little bit. So I am gonna add in a bit of walnuts. I'm just gonna drop in a little bit of raisins because I bought it, so I don't want to feel like I bought it for 9. Okay. Yeah, please. Alright. I'm gonna start making the icing. I already started working at the same time. Well, I'm gonna start making the icing and then put it in the fridge. So I need 200 grams, so kind of half of it. I really like fresh cheese, so I'm not gonna lie. This with some granola and honey, some raisins. Nah, don't play with me. Honey, solid sugar. Alright guys, so as you can see, I almost forgot that I had it in the oven. I was like, oh my god, it smells so good. But it is actually not burnt. It's just this part that was like a bit burnt. But it's not burnt. Okay. So basically, I'm gonna top it with the icing. Oh my god. I feel like a real baker just like doing this. This is so pretty. So guys, look at it. Oh my god. Is this not the cutest thing ever? Like, I'm going to try it. And honestly, oh look, it's really like spongy. Like this is what I want it, like moist. I don't like those dry cakes. By the way. Different dinguerie. What? I can't believe it. Hold on. It's tasting like Starbucks. And you can like taste the spice and all of that. No. It's just, can you don't play with me. I did that. Guys, I'm gonna bring this video to an end. Do let me know whatever you want me to cook next. Or bake next. And I'll get it done. Don't come with anything crazy though. But I'm loving this. I'm loving this. I should definitely try this. Anyways, I'm going back to work, so love y'all. God bless you, and see you on my next one.